Hello, I'm Achini Nawarathna. So I'm from Sri Lanka and I'm doing EIT Manufacturing course specialized in Zero Defect Manufacturing. So my entry university is Aalto University and my exit will be Trento University in Italy. What drew my attention to EIT Manufacturing course was problem solving tactics that they have included in their course and the network that they have in the industry of Europe. So the curriculum in EIT Manufacturing course which I am doing, which is Zero Defect Manufacture for a Circular Economy, it contains the basic mechanical engineering subjects such as how to do finite element design, how to do a quality control, how can we design kind of a simulation, but also this contains entrepreneurship and innovative things like how do you start your own business, how can you pitch your own startup idea to an investor. So these are not really included in normal kind of master's degree. So I think this curriculum is really interesting, and also this completely aligned with my career. Like I don't want to be one basic mechanical engineer, but I would someday love to start my own startup. Yeah. In Aalto, I got this opportunity to work with a project which started from scratch, which started from only the sketches of the designs, and I got the opportunity to work with like 5 to 10 people in this project. So in this case, it's not just completing a report, just not showing some final output, but collaborating with the industries, with the surrounding companies, with other friends, and also the main important thing is all the European standards will be applied in these projects. So this is a unique opportunity that you can get only from EIT Manufacturing course, but I don't think there will be another place, another platform to get this kind of experience. During the summer school, we will be able to join with the other EIT manufacturing students from all over the Europe, and we will be working on some projects from maybe during whole 3 weeks, and also some connections with European industries, maybe giant industries, how they work, what are their techniques, what are their strategies, how do they tackle real world problems other than what we are having in manufacturing industry. And also there will be a great opportunity to how to connect what we learned during the first year and how can we connect those things to the real world problems. EIT Manufacturing is a big network with multiple companies, industry giants, industry experts, as well as students. So as a student in Aalto, I got the opportunity to talk with industry giants such as Siemens and ABB, which are in the EIT Manufacturing network. So during your master's thesis, you will get a unique opportunity to work with these types of companies. So I did my bachelor's in chemical and process engineering, and I had the opportunity to work with a multinational company for 2 years when I was back in my home country. Then I applied for master's in manufacturing, which was the bridge to connect my bachelor's to my master's. So if you are coming from manufacturing background, a mechanical engineering background, this will be a great platform to enhance your hands-on experience on engineering. Today we gathered as all our EIT manufacturing students. So I got the opportunity to talk with my colleagues from other universities and who will be connecting for my exit university. So I'm really thrilled about these 2 days, and I got a very good opportunity to network with EIT manufacturing community as well.